Hello everyone. If you have been experiencing issues with the people nearby feature not displaying results, you are not alone. In this guide, I will walk you through several troubleshooting steps to resolve this problem. So now let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. Verify that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent features from loading properly. Now next is enable location services. For Android, swipe down to access the quick settings menu and tap on the location icon to enable it. And for iOS, go to settings, privacy, location services and ensure it is turned on. Next, grant Telegram location access. Navigate your device's settings, find the Telegram app and ensure it has your permission to access your location while using the app. Now next is update the Telegram app. Open your device's app store and see if there is an update available for Telegram. Running the latest version ensures you have all recent fixes and features. Next is clear Telegram cache for Android users. Remove temporary files, go to settings, then apps, and Telegram, storage, and clear cache. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted cache files. Now after that, re-enable people nearby feature. In the Telegram app, tap on the three lines menu icon at the top left corner, select people nearby, and if prompted, allow access to your location. Now sometimes a simple restart can resolve underlying issues, so turn your device off and then back on to refresh system processes. Now, by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the people nearby not showing error on Telegram. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.